Look what I made. My friends are coming over tonight. I decided to make this steak with mac and cheese. Inspired by an idea I found online. Juicy steak, creamy and mac and cheese. Starting with the steak. Here I have 2 ribeye steaks. Simply seasoning salt and pepper. Flip it over. Do it the same way. Melt the butter first. Steak goes in. Quick question. What cuisine is this? American, European, or fusion? Let me know your answer in the comments. Adding some garlic. Rosemary. Garlic and rosemary smell incredible and really elevate the flavor. Now I'm going to flip it. This one I want to make a little longer because this piece is quite thick. And baste the steak with butter. This method really builds the flavor. Smells amazing. Next, making the mac and cheese. Today I'm using this Cavatappi number 87. I'm not sure what this mean is, but it is the shape and the size I'm looking for. Here are all other ingredients: mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, milk, flour, and butter. Melt the butter. Add the flour. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes until the color looks like caramel. Add the warm milk. Cook it down until thickened. Cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese. Let it cook a bit. It's getting creamy and nice. The cheese sauce. Ooh. Now I'm going to add the cooked macaroni. Keep stirring and make sure each piece is nicely coated. That looks good. Lastly, I'm going to cut the steak in cubes. This steak with mac and cheese is generally considered an American cuisine. Time to plate up. Spread the mac and cheese on the plate. Sprinkle the steak on top of the mac and cheese. some fresh Wow, it looks pretty and stunning and so easy. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I'll be making more recipes like this to share with family and friends. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.